Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a NOKIA C32 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So all you have to do is to open the recents, and depending on what kind of navigation type you've got set, you can do it differently. If you've got the 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with a square or 3 bars icon and you will be transferred to the recents. And if you've got the gestures, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and do it kind of slowly. After releasing, here we've got the recents, and basically if you want to, you can, for example, close only one of those apps, just find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you want to close all of them because you've got a lot of apps opened, simply go to the left and tap on clear all. As you can see, we've got this information, which simply means that we just successfully turned off all running apps. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.